Hello teacher. Now I wanna show you about project that I did to show you. Its name student management system. So now my name is Nya Bunten. GitHub username is Bunten minus Nya, and website is the name projjct, and I am from Phnom Penh of Cambodia. So and now that June of 2026, and now I want a presentation about my project, and now I need to run my code. Sorry, I need to run and Python. Okay, now we see the feature six feature, and one we see as student, 2 we use student, 3 search student, 4 delete student, 5 save student, and the last one is exit. So now I need to input number 1, and this feature we can add ID and name and age and country. Example, I put ID 2, name Nya, age 34, country USA. Yes, now it show message student added successfully. Okay, so now I need to show feature 2 that show the view of student that we input. It 2 we see name Nya 34 USA. So now we can search. Example, I said Nya. So now we see this one, Nya and Nya Bunten. So now we can also delete. So now I wanna delete. So now we need to input the ID. Example, I put ID 1. Yes, so it will show message delete successfully. Okay, now I wanna save. Okay, we can see this one. So before we delete one student, so now I need to exit. Okay, thank you.